Today's recipe is a spicy macaron filling that tastes just like cinnamon heart candies. I like it because it's stable at room temperature, and you can use this method for extracting flavor from different candies for your macarons. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. I'll leave the exact measurements in the description box below. First, finely crush the cinnamon candy in a pestle and mortar. Chop up the chocolate into slivers. The finer it is, the easier it will be for the cream to melt the chocolate. Pour the candy and the cinnamon in a small saucepan filled with the cream. Heat it up on medium heat. Keep stirring until the candy melts. If the cream starts to boil, take it off the heat intermittently and keep stirring until the candy melts completely. Do not let it boil. Once the candy is completely melted and the mixture comes to a light simmer, take it off the heat. Immediately pour it over the chocolate. Let it sit for 1 minute. Gently stir to combine. Next, add the butter and incorporate. Let it cool to room temperature. Place a piece of plastic wrap on top of the chocolate to prevent the skin from developing on the surface. Place it in the fridge to firm up slightly for piping. Check on it every 15 to 20 minutes. Do not let it harden or it will become too hard for piping. If time allows, a better method is to just leave it at room temperature until it reaches a pipeable consistency. Once it's ready for piping, pipe a dollop of spicy cinnamon filling onto one of the shells. Sprinkle finely cinnamon candy onto the filling, then assemble it with another similar sized shell. Sprinkle some more crushed candy onto the filling that's exposed on the side of the macaron. Place it in an airtight container and let it mature for 24 hours before eating. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. If you want some free heart macaron templates, just head on over to my blog. I'll leave the link below.